Got a pretty big lure on this planer bobber, but you can see that it's just hanging there in the current. Got about a 8 to 10 foot leader on there. Just go down about 8 feet. We're in river current and way up here on the bank. But there's no rocks. I can easily walk the shoreline. Oh, and I got a fish. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Rubber worm, about a 10-foot leader. Gotta pull it aggressively and then just let it go to the bottom. Walk the shore. And that's about a 3.5 pound bass. Take a little closer look at him. Oh yeah, that is a nice fish. Planer bobber. What a nice fish. See if we can't get us another one. Lake Norman.
To the sea many years ago, pretty gentle, caring and kind, goes out each day to forget the past. Chose his path, couldn't make it last. He had a disease that could not be surpassed. Compulsive desire, the horse that sailed to the mast. His hands of leather, skin on fire, blue eyes blazing the sun.